This is switch and laptop in Cisco packet tracer. To set the password to the switch, go to switch. Now go to the CLI. You will access the iOS of the switch. Now type enable to go to the privilege mode of the switch. To see the running configuration, type show running configuration. Okay, so this switch is not configured previously. You can see here there is no IP address, and line console also not configured. You can see here line console is not configured, line VTY also not configured. We have to configure this to set the password to the switch. Now go to the global configuration mode. Give the command line console 0 to set the password to the switch. Type login. It is asking login is disabled because you have to give the password to the switch. Give the password. Type the command password. Here password I will give as Cisco@123. Press enter. Exit from here. You can see here it is asking for password to access the switch. Give the password Cisco@123. C will be capital. You can see we can enter into the switch after giving the password. Now we will configure the password for the privilege mode. So go to the global configuration mode by giving the command configure terminal. Give here command line VTY 5. You can give this number between 0 to 16. Now give the command login to set the password for privilege mode. So it is asking for password, so we have to enable the password. To give the password, give the command enable password. Give here password. I am giving ABC. First letter is capital. Exit from here. Now type the password. Switch password Cisco@123. After entering this password, we will go to the privilege mode. Again it will ask the password. Type here enable. Again it will ask the password. You can see it is asking for password to log into the privilege mode of the switch. Give the password capital ABC, small ABC. Now you can see we can enter into the privilege mode of the switch. So like this you can configure the Cisco switch for entering into the switch as well as entering into the privilege mode of the switch. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.